Guys, boys, I'm back.
Okay.
Oh wow, I love my
Oh
new
god, there are
parachute,
many
man.
people.
When oh yeah yeah yeah
Turn,
yeah.
turn, turn.
Go.
Let's
Go to
No.
let's
take
bolt
the
from here, man. Let's
car
bolt.
and go.
Let's bolt. Let's
That's
bolt.
what.
Let's bolt. Oh nice skin, man.
Hidden route.
Hey
How
French
the
guy.
hell are you guys? Abey, yaar, wait for me.
Yeah, we are right here, man. You're running somewhere else.
Ah,
Let's
finally,
go.
let's
Let's
go.
go. Let's go. I'll kill you with this dagger,
You
okay?
should have come here. First of all,
Hey, let's take
there
this
were like a
gun
hundred parachutes.
gun jeep. Take the gun jeep.
Wow, the camera comes now.
Hey guys, I'm on the gun, guys. Oh, nice. Caution and all, huh? Oh, this can go 360 degrees, man. 360
You didn't
degrees.
know?
No, I didn't know. I thought it only went to 180. 180.
Very bad.
At least we have some defense now.
Let's go to a nuclear plant because that's.
Yup, that's the closest now. We really need those goons.
I'll take the gun. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, wait. Let me just go to the. We need to keep it kid friendly, man.
You all want to ride?
Nope.
No,
We don't have guns.
Idiot.
We won't ride without guns. Wait, there's nothing here. Why did they make that ladder, man?
Who knows?
Okay, there's only ammo. What will we do of ammo, man? Okay, man. He just looted the place.
You can just pick it up.
Loot. Oh, there's a heli here, man.
I'm taking rockets if anyone needs it.
Heli boy,
I
heli
don't
boy.
want it anyway.
There's a heli boy. Yeah. Keep it. I'll take it from you afterwards. Hey, man, I don't want this
I was
BY-15 and all, yaar.
Okay.
I'll have to keep it
GKS.
anyways.
You want
though.
it?
Yeah, I'll take the GKS over this BY-15 any day, man. Actually, I'll keep the
Okay, come here.
BY.
Come down. Come to my
GKS is what ammo, man?
9 mm
Oh, 9mm. Okay.
It's coming
Here
here
you
with
go.
a heli.
and 9 mm. Enjoy.
Enjoy my life.
What the hell just happened?
Enjoy my life. What's here, man? Wait, what? Why am I getting shotguns all over the place, man? These shotguns are not cool.
That's fine.
Not cool.
Um,
I do not like these shotguns. Okay, I thought I saw ammo over here.
Extra heli.
Oh, we are pretty close to the zone. Quick.
Yeah,
that's good if you don't get
Quick.
a car. You can just run.
I would rather
Wait,
take
you
this
already have a car.
pistol. I would like to take the pistol. Let's go,
Fuck.
boys.
No, not that.
I need some of that ammos. I have to
Get up.
mark this, man. Mark that thing. Mark the thing. Mark that. Helis.
yeah.
Hey, why can't I climb this ladder? For some reason I can't climb the ladder. Okay, why did I shoot? Did I shoot? I am not sure if I shot.
Yeah.
I can't climb this ladder, man.
It's quite hard.
Oh, I'm lagging.
No,
I'm
it's
lagging.
handy. China.
Bro, me lagging, bro.
Even I can't climb it.
I guess it is not unclimbable.
Who's that? Somebody shooting.
I got FG18
FH18.
and SMRS both.
Yeah, keep. We need those. Okay, no, drop that. No, I'm not telling you, okay? Just saying. I'm just saying it to myself.
Wait, that's an opponent?
And if anybody of you gets 5.56 and you all don't need it, right? Give it to me. Really low on it.
Wait. There's a man here and I have no idea.
Manny boy.
I found
He's
him.
continuously shooting.
I'm coming, bro.
I got him.
He got 5.56. Hey, why can't I just climb over that snow dune?
You got him right.
Why can't I pick it up? Wait, what just happened, man?
I'm not taking DP47.
Yeah.
It has a
Yo, anybody wants rush?
Yeah,
yes,
I'll take
I
it.
want. Oh god.
Saket, what guns do you have?
It's marked here. It's marked here. I marked it.
I have AS10 and UL 736.
I really need that, bro. I really need it.
Oh,
Need it.
so GKS.
I got a Chicom, man.
Okay, if you get a AK117, then call me.
Sure, man.
No,
Sure. Oh wow, I got a lot of 5.56 from that guy, man. Oh, there's
very
some
good for
here.
you.
It is an AK-47. Anybody needs it? Guy.
No.
Oh, I got him. Flawless, man. I flawlessed him. Not one tick damage. Not tick. Sorry. Not one dash. Fill in the blanks.
I will not forget it.
I don't know what it's called. So fill in the blanks. One bullet. Okay. Maybe I got it.
I'm picking up rockets.
Pick it up. Hey, Hidden Rouge, you had found the FHJ, right?
Yes.
Do you know where it is?
Yes.
Please guide me to it. Wait, let
I have a
me.
PTW if anyone wants it.
I need the ammo around it, man.
I'll mark it.
Yes, please. You are too, right? You are right here, actually.
Wait, one enemy here. I just marked
Anybody
it.
wants a scope?
Go to them.
No, I don't.
What?
Yeah, what
Which
is which scope is it?
I have
No, I don't
holographed
need
it and
Yeah,
Wait,
not
I-
holographic. I don't know
I
holographic.
have been here.
and a red dot also.
Oh, I wanted the red dot.
Wait. I have both.
Maybe I
and
do
don't
have
need
red dot
anyone.
on both. No, I have a tactical scope on one. Bro, I need one of those red dots. Oh, someone took the heli, man.
Okay, wait.
Where? No, it's. Bro, where's the red dot, man? Where the red dots? Where the guys? Bro. Oh, you see them? I didn't
He's
know.
landing it there. He's landing it there. Let's rush.
Oh, yes.
I got the heli sometimes. Yeah, I hit him a couple of times. Oh, he's really
Oh shit! I just got knocked. There's a guy there.
Got him, man. Where you at?
Revive.
Oh yeah, here.
Revive
Okay.
in this house.
Oh god, come on. Are we taking stuff?
Bro, even me low. Me very low.
Even if I do.
I thought the heli knocked you. Okay, I lagged, man. Just getting this lag from nowhere. It's blinding me. The lag is blinding me.
Or it's not landing me.
Good for you, boy. Good for
If
you.
you get a man of war, tell me I want it.
Did you take the R heli and go? The one with
Yeah,
the
they,
mark and
yeah. I think they just did. They just did take that one. What's here, man? There's something here. Bro, you are going to give me the. Oh, I got a red dot. Don't worry. No, got it. Don't need it. Don't need the red dot now. Okay, it's here. I'm going to drop this tactical. Put this red dots right there. I know in the comments I'll be getting like, tactical is so much better than red dot. Why do you like red dot? No, but I do like red dot. Oh, I got some rockets. Hey, take the gun machine thingy. Oh, I see the. I see. Okay, I see a dead guy.
The ladder. Then
9
why is it
mm.
there?
Where's the
I know, right? I experienced.
There's
Yeah, they took it, right? Look it. They took it.
So then we need to move.
Freaking thieves.
Because the zone is right behind us.
Yeah.
Well,
I think I
we
see
do
a
need
car.
to
Okay, no,
move.
that's not a car. Oh, I thought Hidden Rouge
No,
is
I
just.
need a red dot.
Oh, there was a red dot
Both.
in that assault container thingy. That green thingy. There was one.
I'll take it later.
Yeah, you'll get it, man. You'll get it.
I'll use the RPD. Yeah,
Hey, remove the gun and run, man. Remove it, my dude. Oh man, this guy just took the bike, man. Okay, I'll take the car behind
Somebody
you.
come and sit. Somebody come and sit. And take them. And then I'll leave them and come. Oh wait, the zone is way far. I'll leave them till the next car.
No, I got a
Where's
car.
Josh?
You can go.
Oh, there's a car.
Guy. 2, I think 1. No, 1. That's just Hidden
I'm
Rouge.
leaving.
Got him. Oh, there's another guy. Another.
Behind me,
Got
I
him.
saw.
I think. Okay,
car.
you got him, man.
Car.
I'll just do this. Yup, got him. And he
Okay, so
does have
guys,
something I need. And I might have just. Oh, I have a sufficient
hey, wait
amount
for
of
me, Josh.
power.
Prime, wait for me.
Yeah. Get in.
Yeah, let's
Who
go.
this
I'm
Josh
almost
guy,
near
man?
the zone.
Oh, bro. Where you at, man?
He's
You
running.
went running, okay?
He's running. He
Ah.
has almost reached there. Great.
He
Where
fast.
else looks mad.
He fast boy. Very fast boy. Okay, that just opened on its own, man. That crate.
It's magic.
It's magic.
He's
It's
the
magic.
only software.
Okay. I thought I was going to hit that. Tank incoming. Bro, where is this guy, man? Oh, he's right in front, man. Running
Bro,
race.
get in.
Let's go.
I wanna
Yes.
get there by running.
It looks
Let's go in the
cinematic.
Policeman.
It kind of looks cinematic, man. It's chip
Yes.
terminal, man, right in the middle. Why would they keep it
let's
right in
go
the
I'm
there.
middle?
going there. That's where I'm going.
Hey,
Jump.
Josh, stop the car.
Nope. We got we got pretty far because of that, man. Got pretty far. Pretty far. Ship terminal. Where this guy at, man? Where this
Anybody
guy?
has FHG 18?
No, not me.
No.
Oh, this guy here. This guy. Oh, I think we'll get it. There are two
We
red
can get it here.
crates.
Yeah.
Open. Oh, yeah, I got
In
this.
the house.
Oh, there's an FHJ over here.
Josh.
Why didn't I take the? How?
Wait, there's the guy.
Okay, wait. Let me just open this pod off.
People are coming. Oh,
Oh, my class ability. Okay, it has already. SMRS also is here. Who is taking the FHJ? Oh, there are two guys.
The gun.
Who taking FHJ, man?
Oh, wait. Somebody behind me. There's a guy behind me.
Oh, you are
Where
there,
are
man. You're far, man. You always go far and you get down. Where he at?
I knocked him.
Okay. Arey yaar. Why did you call me then,
I
man?
killed him almost.
What you calling me? For no reason. Me have lot of work,
There's
you
an
know.
FHG here.
Yeah, I saw that.
In that crate, just.
There's a hemostatic. Oh! Some guy shot me. There's a sniper in that tower, man.
Wait.
There's a sniper in that tower. There's a sniper. There's a sniper.
I got one shot.
Yup, he's low.
He
He's down.
went in the house.
Oh, he went in the house. I thought he was
Wait,
low.
I need to take the.
Bro, I got a whole load of 5
Oh shit,
points.
I'm lagging, I'm lagging.
Yeah, there's a lot of
I'm
lag.
not.
The tank is over there, man. We need to get in that house. Let's rush.
Oh, that's what, let's go.
We need to get
Let's
in a
rush
house,
that
really.
house.
Oh god. No,
Oh, there's a drop here. There's a drop
Tank is
here.
coming out towards us.
The drop.
No, leave that drop. The tank is about near us.
I think they will also come for the drop.
I found that guy.
Dun. There's a jokester,
I
man.
knocked him down.
Oh no! The real guy is somewhere else. I'm knocked.
No, I killed him.
No, then how did he? There's another guy then. I'm knocked.
Oh shit.
Guy behind me, guy
Oh, God,
beside
come on,
me.
It's not opening.
Bro,
Finally.
I knocked.
Come in the house. Come in the house.
Where's the
Come in.
entrance?
Wait, no, come on.
Bro, open this door. Yeah, thanks, bro. Who opened it? Oh, I can open and close doors. Bro, I'm in the house. I need exit.
Yeah.
I didn't know I could open it.
Wait.
Okay, I'm on
coming in
16, man.
3, 2, and I'm in.
Bro, I'm really low. Okay.
Yeah, just stay
I'm
close.
knocked. I'm knocked.
What the hell are you doing? I told you just stay close.
I'm in the house. I'm in a house. I'm in your house.
Yeah. We are also in this only house. Wait, I'm.
Okay, close. I was going to ask you.
Shit. I am also knocked. There is a guy there.
Where?
Joshua, it's all upon you.
Where he at, bro?
Spectate.
Bro, he's not here,
He's
man.
in this door, he's over here. He's over here. Kill him.
Avengers.
Yeah, kill him.
Did you kill him?
Yeah, and
Yeah, reviving.
Be careful.
Reviving
Cover.
teammate. Wait, I'm not
Oh,
reviving.
there's a guy behind you.
There's a guy. Okay, now pay attention to the guys. Wait, I'm
Oh,
not
he got me. Okay, no, he didn't get me. False alarm, guys.
I am not revived. Oh wait, it's waiting. Sorry.
I'm pretty sure I revived both of you, guys.
Yeah, it's waiting for the flight.
Oh, he had so many adrenalines, man. Oh,
It
so
was
many
you,
heals, man. How does one get so many heals?
Hey, leave.
Yeah,
Get
I
the
have to take the
side,
heals, man.
Joshua.
Oh,
Sorry, bro. Who is this Joshua you're talking
Give me
about?
some heals.
Who is
God,
Joshua you're talking about, boys?
I need to wait for a
I think I
minute more.
cursed you all with that Joshua name, man. Cursed it.
Shut up. Where's
Oh, there's an
Oh,
assault
damn,
box
so
thingy over there.
many
Oh
heals.
yeah, I see it.
Oh, we should have taken the FHJ, right?
Yes, sir. Oh, where's the tank at? Be careful.
Bro, heli.
Hey, don't go.
The heli.
Heli is outside only, bro. It's
The
right
heli is
here.
not. The heli is okay. Wait, we need to wait
Can the
for it. We
tank
need to wait
hit
for
a
it.
helis?
No, I don't think so.
Take all the
Bro, then that would be a big
things.
advantage for us, man.
Where's the tank at?
I don't know. I think they got
9,
off.
8,
Who
7,
just now opened the
6,
door?
5,
I opened,
4,
bro.
3, 2, 1.
I didn't
Yeah,
get
come
to
at the
loot.
same place.
So
Come
many
at the same place.
adrenalines,
Come
man.
at the same place.
Hey, there are many adrenalines, man. Take
Saki, come at
it.
the same. Hidden roots. Come at the same place.
Bro, I need this
Just take cover of the
5.5.
walls. Where's the tank at?
I think they got off. They got off.
Heli. Where's the heli?
It's right here. It's right here. Come near me. Come near me.
I'm almost there. I'm there.
Yeah, it's right there.
I'm
Look.
there. I'm there.
It's right there.
Yeah, so let's go.
Let's go.
Take the loot. Take the
Wait,
loot.
I need to take my things.
Yeah, you can take it.
Take it fast, man. We'll be up.
I was lagging.
Oh, nice. Nice skin, man.
Wow.
I like it.
I saw a guy.
That's a lot
He's
of-
coming near you.
Where he at? Where he at?
He is here down somewhere.
Okay.
See, in front.
Wait, why do I have Arctic? I don't want Arctic.
Okay, I'm on FPP, man. That was scary.
I'll be taking RPD.
I got scared. I was in the FPP mode.
Yeah.
Oh, my backpack is
Did
full.
you all get the rockets? Did you all get it?
Not
Did
me,
you all
not
get
me,
the
not
FHJ?
me. Not me, bro.
No, I didn't get it.
Okay.
Take all the hits I can.
Wait. I need to see if he has some
Oh, shut up.
5.56, bro. I need them. 5.56s.
Right.
Okay, does he have 5.56? No
Loot
5.56
guys.
for me.
We need to take
Oh, wait.
down.
Bro, I'm in.
Coming.
He's also in.
I'm also in. Let's go.
Nice. Let's go.
Let's go and take that FHJ.
There might be people. One guy go down and get the FHJ, and one guy let us snipe. Enemy lock in
Oh
missile.
shit, there's a missile. Yeah. Get off. Who is
I'm
knocked?
already knocked.
What are you
It's
doing?
me.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, I saw that guy.
Come behind this rock, man. This rock.
I'm really big. Let's see. Yeah, that was
Oh, there are
really
two.
bad.
Yeah, I'll just
Shit,
rescue
I'm
this guy.
low.
Hide.
Take cover.
Heal up. Come inside this zone, man. Oh, I see the guy. Oh, he's really far for
And
my.
there are
I'll
two.
just heal up.
Oh, someone.
Where is he?
There are two people. He's very far away
Wait,
from me.
I'm coming.
He's very far away from me, man. Actually, we are stranded. We need to get on land. Proper land.
Yeah, I saw.
I'll let them fight. Can we drive this boat? Me noob.
No, there are two. We can't drive the boat. Try and snipe them off.
Oh, that Arctic 50 would really come in handy right now.
I have an Arctic 50, but they are way too moving. Let me reload.
I'm almost there.
Yeah, I think even I should go
Don't rush.
I'm on.
Yeah, let them fight, guys. Let them fight.
I'm just taking
I
cover.
think so. It's just two more people. Yeah, I saw one.
Okay. He got me.
Oh shit, I'm knocked.
Come, are
It's okay. Oh, it's all up on you, John.
Just leave us.
Heal yourself. Hey,
Yeah.
guy going in.
I will fly.